Man, y'all, come on, man. Let the king of travel come visit over to the village. Because I ain't going to lie. I want to get my praise on one day. And I might want to sneak over to the Playboy Mansion. You feel what I'm saying? I know MARWA. I know MARWA don't vibe with me, MARWA. But let me come through, brother. You know what I'm saying? I want to see what's like over in Africa at the Playboy Mansion, too. Let the king of travel come through. Forgive me for everything I say, brother. Forgive me for everything I say. You know what I'm saying, my brother? You know what I'm saying? Everything. If you felt I disrespect you, brother, you know what I'm saying? Please forgive me, bro. I want to come to the Playboy Mansion, too. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy come through, man. You know what I mean? And, you know, so that's real talk, man. But, yo, that's what's up, man. Big shout out to the village. You know what I'm saying? The village about to be crazy over there. University, you know, mansion, Playboy Mansion and all that. So, you know, man, big shout out, man. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. And hopefully y'all boys give me an invitation to come through one day. I appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Please forgive a brother for what he did. Because I want to come through too. You know what I mean? For sure.
It's the King of Travel Talk Show with real experience, with real culture and people across the world. Let's travel!
Yo, what's good, man? Your boy King of Travel, man, back in the building, man. Yo, listen, I want to tell y'all a little story. So, you know, I just got back, you know what I'm saying, got back in the States, man, jet lag and all that, trying to get a little rest, you know, and I got a suggestion from YouTube, man, and I was trying to get some rest, man, but I just had to react to this video, man. Listen, y'all don't nail me to the cross for this one right here. You know, this just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of wild of me, but I want to ask y'all a question over there in Africa. You know, I know D Mungo is a representative of Africa. I never saw this in my life. This kind of stuff right here. And y'all ain't gonna lie, she had me laughing, man. I'm looking at my phone right now, man. Oh my God. D Mungo, yo, she is walking. See, YouTube suggest this to me.
Yeah.
And,
wow. And
D Mungo right here.
From here, you know, because you can have the view of the
Oh
mountain.
my God. Let me tell you, let me show y'all some clips of this. D Mungo have a guy in the Philippines walking around in his drawers showing her a house. I never saw that in my life. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. Do they do that in Africa? You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, the dude is walking around, giving her a tour of the house, walking in his drawers. In America, if you do that, they calling the SWAT team, they calling the FBI, they calling everybody out. They don't play them kind of games in America, which I know she in Philippines doing that. But, yo, look at this right here, man. From this day forth, D Mungo is officially a comedian. I never saw no craziness like this in my life. But she scared me a little bit. I'm going to be real with you, because if YouTube got people doing stuff like that now, you know what I'm saying, I think I might stop on my channel. Because I don't know, man, because I don't think that's normal right there, you know. So I'm trying to wonder, man, like, is that normal on the platform? You know, people start to do stuff like that, like, because the video, she got me. She clickbaited me, man. I looked at it, suggestion. They suggested her to me, say he invited me to his house, and this is what happened. So listen, I'm getting a little shaky. You know what I mean? Like, yo, what happened? What happened? D Mungo is behind a man with a camera, and he is in his drawers walking around. Oh my God. D Mungo has officially became a comedian today. So y'all, I want y'all to tell me what y'all feel about the situation now. I hope I ain't offending nobody. I hope I'm not offending nobody. Don't look at me the wrong way. I'm just reacting to the situation. I never saw nothing like that a day in my life. When people, say for an example in America, if they show you the house, they be in a suit. You know what I'm saying? Usually the average person that's showing you the real estate, how nice the place is, they in a suit or something. You know what I'm saying? But I never saw nobody that actually walk around in their drawers walking around the house. You know what I'm saying? And yo, listen, and I ain't gonna lie to you, D Mungo, listen to me real good. You know what I'm saying? Like that's kind of wild right there. You know, that's different right there. So, yo, y'all tell me, yo, am I saying the wrong thing? Listen, don't look at me the wrong way now. I just never heard of nothing like that. And I know D Mungo represent Africa. You know what I'm saying? Real good. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that just It's just kind of weird to me. So y'all help me understand, is that how they show you their houses in Africa or other countries? Do they walk around in their drawers? You know what I'm saying? Like, because I'm going to tell you, in America, you get in a big trouble for that. But look, let me show you some of the clips. This is right here. Check this out. What you think?
So it can be, you can put a kitchen, good lights, very spacious. Wow, wow. Dining area again. Oh, this is actually the dining area. New brand seats, very beautiful. The lights, wow, very nice. Maganda. Wow, guys. Then from the living area, which is very spacious and beautiful. Oh, there's also fridge here, you know, and cooker, ready to cook, ready to move in.
Yeah.
Wow, guys. What do you all think? Hi, Lito. Thank you so much for inviting me to your house. At least I know there's a beautiful house here. And Lito is such wow, guys. Extra kitchen here. And Lito says there's a room here. And nice. Huh? Guys, wow. Very beautiful, very clean. This is kitchen, dining area, another table, you know, for the kitchen.
All right, let's continue. Let's give a big shout out to the African Reactor, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the African Reactor and Goat Matapa. Let me tell you something. Y'all taking the reacting to a whole nother level. Y'all trying to tell me that MARWA over there, yo, he about to make that place so secure. I never heard in my life that somebody about to put a river around his house full of alligators. Boy, let me tell you something. Boy, MARWA, you a bad man, boy. Now, that's what you call some security. Because I guarantee you ain't nobody going to get to your house now. I promise you that. And let me suggest something to y'all. Don't walk no dogs from MARWA house. Leave them dogs home. Because let me tell you, some alligators and dogs don't get along. But MARWA, you's a bad man, boy. MARWA about to build a river around his whole damn house. Boy, I ain't never see that in my life. So MARWA about to have a bunch of alligators surround his house. So I'm going to just tell y'all better sniff around MARWA house. Because he got big crocodiles, alligators, and all that. Y'all ain't about to get up in there. Oh, my God. And listen, MARWA, so we got it now. MARWA Villa is really going to be the MARWA Playboy Mansion. That's what he got going on over there. He got a Playboy Mansion. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, I want y'all to be honest with me. Is y'all fellas going to that Playboy Mansion too in here? You know, hey, MARWA, let me tell you something. MARWA being slick. You notice what he's saying, right? He got to have a bunch of gals. Then he did a video the other day. He was talking about he just having a problem with one gal and he this and he that. MARWA trying to let y'all know when that building is done, the MARWA Playboy Mansion. That's what MARWA doing. Oh, yes, he is. Yeah, he about to have a bunch of gals up in there. You know, MARWA, hey, listen, I can't knock you though, brother. It is what it is. Different stroke for different folks, man. I tell you, if I had your money, you know what I'm saying, and had, you know, I don't know, man. You know, hey, I might sound all right, boy. You know what I mean? Shit, boy, MARWA about to live his best life. Y'all play if y'all want to. MARWA about to live his best life over there, boy. MARWA talking about something. Because he keep talking about, he always talking his granddaddy with all them wives. MARWA up to something, man. A big shout out to the African Reactor Goat Matapa for putting the secret out to the world. Yeah, that's what it is. MARWA, we got you now. We know what you about to do. We know exactly what you about to do. That's about to be the MARWA Playboy Mansion. Boy, listen, you remind me of that guy in Vegas, man. He got the bunny ranch in Vegas. So MARWA about to bring a bunny ranch to Africa. What y'all feel about that? I mean, y'all think that's pretty cool what MARWA doing, you know, with the bunny ranch? Because they're about to go down over there. The way it sounds like to me, I'm putting the piece of the puzzle together. You know, MARWA going to have different gals from Europe. He's going to have Colombians. He's going to have Dominicans. So he probably going to them countries recruiting them women. And then a lot of them gals be on his live talking about MARWA. I want to be a part of it. So, yeah, we get it now. So y'all get prepared, man. MARWA about to put together the Playboy Mansion. You know what I'm saying? That's what's really going on over there in the village. So, man, they about to have it going on. But the thing is, too, what's so crazy to me, MARWA about to put together the Playboy Mansion, but then you got Davy Jr. going to put together the church. Then a university. So they got a college going over there. Davy Jr. putting up a church. Davy Jr., who gonna preach? Oh, Pastor Boxman. That'll be the perfect place for you to preach over there, bro, in the village. So let's put Pastor Boxman to be the preacher over there. Boxman and leader. Okay, word. So Boxman and leader be preaching in the village. But listen, only problem is now, David Jr., don't put that church too close to MARWA house now, because you know how it is. We men, you trying to tell me how the preacher's supposed to be focused at the church when the Playboy Mansion in the same village. Now, next thing you know, the preacher ain't gonna be preaching correctly. You feel what I'm saying? Because he gonna be distracted. That's not a good combination right there, brothers. That's definitely not a good combination. So I think y'all should think about the Playboy Mansion, MARWA full of women over there. Then you got the preacher preaching in the church. That's just a lot. That's a lot going. Y'all something else over there, man. And the university, I guess, like who's gonna be the college teachers? You know what I'm saying? The university, they got a college over there, Playboy Mansion, church. It was all a dream. Reading Word Up magazines. I guess, man, I don't know, man. I'm out of here, man. Y'all please don't look at me the wrong way now. This is what I'm hearing on the streets of the village over there, of the famous village of Mama Hansi, over there between the Tanzanian border. This the first village I ever heard of that, the Playboy Mansion coming there. You got the church coming over there. You got the university coming over there. You got stores coming over there. Man, y'all, come on, man. Let the king of travel come visit over to the village. Because I ain't going to lie. I want to get my praise on one day. And I might want to sneak over to the Playboy Mansion. You feel what I'm saying? I know MARWA. I know MARWA don't vibe with me, MARWA. But let me come through, brother. You know what I'm saying? I want to see what's like over in Africa at the Playboy Mansion, too. Let the king of travel come through. Forgive me for everything I say, brother. Forgive me for everything I say. You know what I'm saying, my brother? You know what I'm saying? Everything. If you felt I disrespect you, brother, you know what I'm saying? Please forgive me, bro. I want to come to the Playboy Mansion, too. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy come through, man. You know what I mean? And, you know, so that's real talk, man. But, yo, that's what's up, man. Big shout out to the village. You know what I'm saying? The village about to be crazy over there. University, you know, mansion, Playboy Mansion and all that. So, you know, man, big shout out, man. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. And hopefully y'all boys give me an invitation to come through one day. I appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Please forgive a brother for what he did. Because I want to come through too. You know what I mean? For sure, for sure. Peace.
It's the King of Trouble Talk Show.